Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for so long, but I'm glad that I am back. A lot of things that's happened. Where do I start? I had a baby. We had death in our family, and an appendicitis infection, so I had to get my appendix removed, and that's just been it's gonna be a week now. but I'm so happy to be back, like you have no idea. And if you guys follow me on TikTok, you know that I've been doing a lot of woodworking. So because I am really into woodworking right now, I am going to attempt and record a series of me giving my house a makeover, and I'm talking about my whole house. Of course, that's if I don't get interruptions like this. Voy a ir para allá, les voy a dar con la chancla. Oh God. Hey, I can't hear you guys all the way over here. Stop making noise. Stop crying, Logan. I'll be right back. So yeah, this is gonna be super fun. But yeah, in this series, you're gonna see me be how I'm going to vlog everything that I'm gonna be doing inside the house. I'm gonna start with our living room, and then hopefully get to cover all downstairs, and then move to upstairs. I want to take you guys in this journey, especially because I want to show you that you can do this on a budget. I am broke. Well, I can't say I'm broke. How can I say it? Yeah, I'm broke. And I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna figure it out. Maybe ask my husband for some money. I don't know. I do have a few supplies outdoors, and because I'm not currently making any orders on the stuff that I'm making, yeah, we'll see. We'll figure something out. Yeah, maybe put it on credit and pay it later. My design style, I still don't know what it is yet. I'm barely figuring it out, but I do like industrial modern, mid-century, well, Scandinavian, mid-century. There's a whole bunch of things in the mix that I kind of like want to bundle them all together and see how it's gonna look. Who knows? It might be ugly. It might be pretty. It might be something new that starts a trend. Who knows? As you can see back here, I did this 8-foot wall of a shelving system, and I'll give you guys a quick look on it in just a second. Well, let me go ahead and show you my house, the first floor of what I'm going to be doing. So let's go. So this is my living room. Like if you come in from the front entrance, this is the living room space. The babies want you. Hello, baby. She's the nicest of all. Hello. But yeah, anyway, so this is my living room space, and I have like this little thing right here. I have my TV and that right there. The floor is going out. I bought flooring for this space right here. And the same flooring that I have in my dining room space is going to be the same here, and hopefully through the kitchen and everything. So this is this perspective. So that's what my space looks like. And this is going to be the first space that I'm going to be working in and renovating. Yeah, then there's the dining room. That's the shelving system that I was telling you guys about. Right there, it's real cute. That's for a client, and this is the kitchen. Right now it's not really pretty. So yeah, as you guys have seen, those are the areas, but I'm going to start with the living room space. I am planning to do shelving systems and a feature wall for my TV, and I'm also going to be adding a fireplace underneath. I'm hoping to get all of this done on a budget. I'm thinking, well, the floor alone was like $1,000, so let's put $1,000 already in there. But I'm hoping to make this under $3,000. So we'll see. We'll see how much we end up spending at the end. So I'm very excited for this home makeover. I've been dreaming about doing this makeover for my home since before I got it. I've always been into home renovating, and I am self-taught. Everything that I've done, I've researched on YouTube, on other social media platforms, etc., Google, blah, 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 on the internet. So I'm self-taught and I'm not an expert, but I'm gonna go ahead and do this. You'll see me struggle. You'll see me cry maybe, especially because of all these children that I have in the house. But I hope you guys keep it. I hope you guys stay in and watch the whole series, how I transform my house into what it is now, till this beautiful, amazing dream home that I've always wanted to have. So make sure you guys subscribe and follow my channel and turn on your alert notifications so you can be reminded of whenever I post a new video of this series. So I hope you guys stick around for this series, and see you in my next video. Bye. Attempt and do a whole series.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Siri, nobody's talking to you.
Yes?
Stop.
Done.
Okay. Back to where I was. Thank you so much. See you on the next one. Bye-bye. Where do I always do that? What does that mean? You guys are fighting to give food to the dogs. No crying, Logan. Sophie, look at my hair. Sophia, you smell stinkies. Did you just poop?
I did.
Logan. Logan, come and see if Sophia pooped.
Okay.
Poop checker. Check if she pooped. Smell her butt.
They put